everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and today's video is going to be all about jewelry. Now, a company reached out to me. I think the company is named voogmechic or something like that. It's right here, but make sure you guys check the description box below for all of the details. But they reached out to me and asked me to pick out 3 pieces, okay? So I picked out a necklace, some earrings, and a ring. They're all silver, and I normally don't wear silver. Today I'm wearing silver, and to show you guys the stuff that I got, it will be silver. But yeah, they reached out to me and asked me to pick out these 3 items, and they sent them to me. So I'll be showing you guys what I got, letting you guys know the price point as well, and all of that good stuff. So if you are interested in seeing what I got from this company, then keep watching. So again, the jewelry came from VOOGMEchic. Now, they are an online jewelry company in the United States who mainly sell like engagement rings, wedding bands, earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. So I'm looking at my phone because I need to know the exact name and stuff of what I got. So these are the 3 items that I got. As you guys can see, there's a little white cardboard, and then this is what the jewelry is in. So I'm showing you guys pretty much the packaging. It's real simple. So this is the ring box. So if you are familiar with, you know, rings, they come in a similar box like this. And then the ring is in here. So since I already have this out, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this ring and let you guys know which ring this is. So this is how the ring looks. Can't really see, but yeah. So this is their 3.0 carat round cut Moistenet. I think it's is it Moistenet? I don't know. Moistenet, I think it is. Engagement ring in sterling silver. The metal is 925 sterling silver, and they sent me a size 7 because the last time I got measured for rings, my ring finger was a size 7. Now I probably got a little bit fat, I don't know, but they sent me a size 7. So right now, this usually retails for $259. Even right now, it says a limited offer is $129.50 that it retails for. So the stone color is white, color grade is D, stone clarity is VVS1, stone size 9.0 millimeters, and plating color is 18K white gold. So before I put the ring on, you guys can kind of see it's kind of blurry. Ooh. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my ring finger. So this is how it looks on my finger. It's really pretty. I really do like it. Super pretty. I'm gonna have to get re-measured for my ring fingers because my finger might be a little chubby compared to a few years ago when I got it measured. But it's a really cute ring, and this is classified as an engagement ring. So very affordable, and it's really nice. So now this is what the necklace is in. So again, the packaging is real simple if you're familiar with jewelry boxes. And this is the necklace. All right, so I was looking in the email trying to find the link to the necklace, and I can't find it. think I might have found it. So I think the necklace that I picked out, I think this is the 1.06 Prong Moistenet sterling silver pendant necklace. This is again in so right now this is retailing for $119 even, and then for a limited offer it retails for $59.50. The stone shape is round, the stone color is diamond white, color grade is D, stone size is 6.5 millimeters, chain length is 17 inches, and the platinum color is white gold. So I think this is the necklace. If it's not, then I apologize. Just make sure you check the description box below for the correct one, but I think that is the right one. So before I put it on, this is how the necklace looks. Very pretty. So hopefully I can put this on because I got nails on. All right, that took forever, but here's the necklace. Of course, I'll take pictures and add them in so y'all can see a little bit better. Last but not least, these are the earrings. I usually, when I do, because I do wear like silver studs, so when I do get earrings, they're normally similar to this. So these are how these look. So these are the 2.0 carat 4-prong Moistenet earrings in sterling silver. These retail for $199. Limited offer $99.50. The shape is round. The color is diamond white. Color grade is D. Stone size is 8.0 millimeters, and the metal is a 925 sterling silver. So I'm gonna take these hoops off and put on these studs. Now hopefully, I mean, these are, you know, an affordable price. When it comes to really cheap jewelry, I am allergic to it. So hopefully this doesn't bother, you know, my ears. But the shape is really nice. Alright, so this is how the earrings look. Very pretty, nice size as well. Necklace is cute, the ring is cute, and the earrings, of course, I really do like. So I want to thank voogmechic, I think that's correct, but I want to thank them for reaching out to me and asking me to, you know, pick out some jewelry for reviewing and showing you guys. I really do appreciate it, and hopefully, you know, I get a chance to work with them again, you know, in the future. It really depends, but I wouldn't mind, you know. Y'all let me know if you like these type of videos as far as like showing jewelry and accessories, because you know I've done it before. But if you want to see more of like little jewelry hauls and all that, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will definitely do that for you guys. But that is pretty much it for this video. I will be inserting in how each piece looks so you guys can get a better look at them, but make sure you guys let me But make sure you guys let me know in the comments which one you liked the best, which one you liked the least. If you liked all three, if you didn't like all three, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.